Home to McAndrew Air Force Base during World War II, Argentia is 135 kilometers southwest of the provincial capital, St. John's. Scattered along the shoreline and hillsides of Argentia, these camouflaged and well-fortified bunkers will be repurposed into advanced data centers. Out of service for more than 3 decades, the current condition of these bunkers is a testament to the engineering that went into their original design and construction. With our modifications, these data center bunkers take full advantage of their natural surroundings. Walls and ceilings of each data center will be treated with the same watertight, impact-resistant coatings that were applied to the U.S. Pentagon after September 2001. Teslagistics can put more than 24 bunkers into service. As an active military base, McAndrew also had underground water reservoirs that were built to survive marine artillery and air bomb attacks. Natural grass rooftops provide stealth and security to spaces that benefit from cooler interior temperatures. Building out one reservoir provides as much server capacity as 6 munitions bunkers that were seen earlier. Constructed with thick, reinforced concrete, the reservoirs are 80 feet long by 80 feet wide with a height of over 10 feet. Uninterruptible power systems and diesel generators will provide redundancy to hydroelectric power. All data center spaces will be virtually airtight, allowing our all-natural inert gas fire suppression system to protect these mission-critical servers from suffering any damage. This non-toxic fire suppression system kills a fire in seconds, without any impact on infrastructure or people working in our centers. The transformation of these spaces will be significant. Our technologies and deployment methods enable us to take distressed or limited-use facilities and convert them into powerful, energy-savvy data powerhouses. We can coexist in areas neighboring other industrial or commercial activity with minimal modification to our deployment methods. Our McAndrew Network Operations Center and 2 main data center spaces are protected by walls of reinforced concrete that are approximately 4 feet thick. These spaces inside our Network Operations Center will serve our most critical and elevated clients. All Teslagistics data center spaces will be 2N+1 compliant, meaning that each space will have secondary systems in the event that any primary element fails. Independent access to redundant diesel generator power, geothermal cooling loops, and fiber communications links will ensure that each space continues to sustain operations no matter how significant the event. Liquid submersion cooling technology provided by our partners at Green Revolution Cooling is at the core of our data center solution. Servers are submerged in a mineral oil-based coolant called ElectroSafe. This clear, odorless, non-toxic coolant is an electrical insulator and provides 1,200 times more heat capacity by volume than air. Submersion cooling reduces energy consumption by 95% compared to air cooling systems, and total energy consumption by close to 50%. ElectroSafe liquid flowing through heat exchangers and geothermal cooling loops keep servers operating at optimum temperature. Being strategically separated, our modular data centers will be some of the most secure, energy-efficient, and redundant data centers deployed in Canada. Teslagistics will inhabit 2 general areas on the hillside and shoreline of Argentia. We'll start with the hillside. Fiber optic cable will be laid from the existing telecommunications shed to the Network Operations Center, Whalen Building, and primary munitions bunkers. A second connection will be made from a line of aerial cable. On the north shore, fiber cable will be laid from the telecommunications shed to the 4 primary reservoir locations. A closed network of geothermal cooling loops will manage server operating temperatures. Hot water exiting our heat exchangers will pass underground and underwater to return for another cooling cycle to our centers. Neighboring facilities can benefit from a constant source of radiant heat before we network our loops into cooling bodies of water. Should a catastrophic power failure occur in the region, each data center space will have its own independent diesel generator for backup power. Combined with our battery systems, Teslagistics will have a minimum of 24 hours of power available to each space. Supply tanks will deliver additional fuel should any power event last longer than 12 hours. Our McAndrew data center takes full advantage of assets that have been dormant for years. Teslagistics will cohabitate next to the port and other industrial tenants seamlessly. While our McAndrew data center can provide heat to its neighbors as a natural byproduct of its operations, Teslagistics can also be a catalyst for expanded industrial development in Argentia.